and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig, and this is from Luvme Hair. So let's go ahead and get right into it, okay? And as you can tell from a smaller box, it has to be like a shorter length unit. I get so excited when my Luvme Hair arrives. One of my favorite brands, OMGG. As always, with their lovely packaging, you get some relatively nice gifts. We have a beauty blender sponge. We have labels to label our wig, because their wigs never come with like unit names and numbers on the packaging of the box. So you can name it yourself, create a custom sticker and stick it on the outside of the box. That way, girl, you know what you're reaching for when you are getting ready. We have the HD stocking caps and a clip. And we have yes, girl, bonnets. And I do really like the bonnets that come with the ribbon at the bottom, because you can kind of tie those in the front to help lay and slay the lace through the night, girl. But let's go ahead and get right into the unit. OMGG. She's a curly bob. She's beautiful. So nice. Now, all of her information is going to be linked down below in that description box, so do not skip over it. She is a nice ombre of natural black and brown. Girl, she is beautiful. OMG, look at those colors. This is great for any time of the year, but this is now perfect that we're in the fall months, early fall months. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. The curls are just everything. Now the lace is pre-cut, okay? All we have to do is take her out of the pack and put it on. Yeah. The knots are bleached. She's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Get into it, girl. Super nice. The cap construction is standard. You already know. We got temple combs, comb in the back, adjustable strap inside. Nice. Let's go ahead and put it on. She's going to be quick and easy because all the work has been done for us. Look at that. OMGG. The lace is laying so nice and flat. I am going to take residual makeup and go around the perimeter to help the lace further blend in with my skin. But she is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Nice, comfortable cap. We love this. We love this. So yeah, I'm going to cut off a little of the extra lace too, because we don't need that. But girl, she is super cute. I'm just going to finger comb, because that's how I like my unit, okay? That's what I like. Fluff it up some. But she is super cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my lace together, and then we'll be right back with the final look. But she is so cute. But before we do all that extraness, let me show you this unit from the side, girl. Look how fluffy it is. OMGG, so nice and full. Nothing skimpy or thin over here, girl. She is beautiful, bouncy, girl. Bobbing. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. I am in love with it. Let me go ahead and get my lace together. Now you could also create baby hairs along the perimeter if you like, if that's your thing. I like baby hair sometimes. Sometimes I don't. It just depends, but she's cute just like this. Love it. All right, so I am back from disguising my lace. I absolutely love this unit. Super easy. Girl, as you see, we did nothing but powder our lace. Like right out of the box, she's ready to go. Lightly finger comb it. Cut off any extra lace that you may need on the sides. And girl, chef's kiss. Love, love, love this unit. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area, girl. Be sure to check out the description box where all the information about this beautiful bouncy bob is down there. So don't skip over it. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. She is a winner in my book. I love it. All right, girl, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's wig review. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.
Back up on my bullshit.